Brand new ingredients specially designed for the health of your blood sugar. September 2024, new scientific discovery. A recent study put out in the National Library of Medicine found that people who have balanced blood sugar have more energy and better quality of life into their later years. As it turns out, the modern diet and lifestyle factors have caused obesity to rise to a staggering 60% plus of Americans, causing an epidemic of unhealthy blood sugar levels. Gluco Extend is unlike anything you've ever tried or experienced in your life before. It's the only product in the world with a unique blend of 11 plus ingredients and nutrients, specially designed to support healthy blood sugar levels. Inside every Gluco Extend you'll find 11 plus ingredients and nutrients that are clinically proven to support the health of your blood sugar. Proprietary blend of 11 plus plants and nutrients. Mormordica carantia. Supports healthy blood glucose. Stimulates your metabolism. Increases energy and reduces fatigue. Cinnamomum cassia. Supports healthy blood glucose. Stimulates your metabolism. Increases energy and reduces fatigue. Deglycyrrhizinated licorice. Supports healthy blood glucose. Stimulates your metabolism. Increases energy and reduces fatigue. Jemima sylvester. Supports healthy blood glucose. Stimulates your metabolism. Increases energy and reduces fatigue. Lagerstromia speciosa. Supports healthy blood glucose. Stimulates your metabolism. Increases energy and reduces fatigue. Morris spp. Supports healthy blood glucose. Stimulates your metabolism. Increases energy and reduces fatigue. Order 6 bottles or 3 bottles and get 2 free bonuses. RRP, $109 today, free. Balance your blood sugar blueprint, transform your health in 21 days using everyday ingredients from your kitchen. Plus discover 4 household spices that reduce inflammation and toxic cleansing water. RRP, $109 today, free. The Blood Sugar Solution, Unlocking Your Weight Loss and Wellness. In this book, I will reveal a simple and quick method that you can do to start losing weight immediately. And one strange ritual to tap into your weight loss that you've never heard of before. Real Gluco Extend users. Real life-changing results. Jason Thompson, 53, New York. Verified purchase. My blood sugar is stable and I have amazing energy. This product beats everything else I've tried. Mindy Winslow, 43, FL. Verified purchase. I've tried everything there is try, but this was the most powerful product I've tried for blood sugar support and it works, thank you. Mark Winters, 46, WA. Verified purchase. This is my go-to supplement for my blood sugar support now, it's really incredible how I feel now. 100% satisfaction 180-day money-back guarantee. Your order today is covered by our ironclad 180-day 100% money-back guarantee. If you are not impressed by the transformation in your blood sugar, then at any time in the next 180 days write to us and we'll refund every single cent. Frequently asked questions. Gluco Extend is an advanced formula designed to support your blood sugar in a natural yet powerful way. Inside every bottle is a unique proprietary blend of natural plants and nutrients, designed to help support the balance of your blood sugar. We're confident that Gluco Extend will give you the powerful support you need to help support healthy blood sugar levels. That's why every single bottle of Gluco Extend comes with our personal 180-day 100% money-back guarantee. If for any reason you're unsatisfied with your results, you can just return what you haven't used for full no questions asked refund. Claim your discounted Gluco Extend below while stock lasts. Scientific references. Jaiswal N., Gavin M.G., Quinn W.J., Luongo T.S., Jelfer R.G., Bauer J.A., Tichin L.P.M. The role of skeletal muscle annite in the regulation of muscle mass and glucose homeostasis. Mole Metab. 2019 Oct. 28:1-13. Chen Y, Zhao X, Wu H. Metabolic stress and cardiovascular disease in diabetes mellitus, the role of protein O-GLUCNAC modification. Arteriosclerothromvasc bile. 2019 Oct. 39, 10-19-11-1924. Taniraj A, Diban S, Mohammed A.K., Mukhopathyayi D, Aljaba G.H., Sulaiman N, Fadista J, Salihi A-GNAS gene is an important regulator of insulin secretory capacity in pancreatic beta cells. Gene. 2019 Oct. 05, 715:144028. Rotor PV, Wu B, Lu Y, Han W. Pancreatic regulation of glucose homeostasis. EXP Mole Med. 2016 Mar 11, 48, 3E219. Han HS, Kong G, Kim JS, Choi BH, Ku SH. Regulation of glucose metabolism from a liver-centric perspective. EXP Mole Med. 2016 Mar 11, 48, 3E218. Pagyagali, Jamshed H, Peterson CM circadian regulation of glucose, lipid, and energy metabolism in humans. Metabolism. 2018 Joule, 84:11-27. Tazi M, Hansen JB, Novak I. Panaxin 1-mediated ATP release in adipocytes is sensitive to glucose and insulin and modulates lipolysis and macrophage migration. Actiphysiol, Oxf. 2020 Feb. 228, 2E13360. Schnell O, Crocker JB, Weng J. Impact of HbA1c testing at point of care on diabetes management. J. Diabetes Cytecnol. 2017 May, 11, 3611-617. Ianim, Kong SG, Song SW. Fasting plasma glucose levels and coronary artery calcification in subjects with impaired fasting glucose. And Saudi Med. 2016 Sepoct, 36, 5334-340. Barish A, Gilbert G.H., Spurlock N, Funkhauser E, Person LL, Safford mm, DPBRN Collaborative Group. TextDent J 2013 APR, 130, 4291-7. Leighton E, Sainsbury CA, Jones GC. A practical review of C-peptide testing in diabetes. Diabetes Ther. 2017 June, 8, 3475-487. Regnal SE, Learn Mark A. Early prediction of autoimmune, type 1, diabetes. Diabetology. 2017 OG, 60, 8-1370-1381. Pipit K, Lee M, Gergel He. Diabetes mellitus, Screening and Diagnosis. AM Fam Physician. 2016 Jan 15, 93, 2103-9. Zhang N, Zhang H, Bai Y, Lu X, Feng M, Guo Y, Zhang S, Luo Q, Wu H, Wang L. The molecular mechanism study of insulin on proliferation and differentiation of osteoblasts under high glucose conditions. Cell Biochem Funct. 2019 Joule, 37, 5385-394.